So over here you can see that I got multiple audio wave files, and when you're working with it, what you may want to do is change out the wave color to differentiate between different audio tracks. So to do that, you can go around over here into the audio track menu right here, and then you can go to wave color right here, and here you can see there's different instruments that you can choose from. So if you were to choose instrument 2 right here, you can see that now this audio wave turns red right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here on this option, you can go to wave color, choose instrument 3, and now this becomes green and so forth. So similarly, you can simply change out the audio waveform to the color of your choice so that the look is different. So you can go around, import out another audio. So let me just import out another audio right here. Select out this audio right here. Let me just delete off the portion. You can see that this is blue now. So you want to change out this audio color. You can go around into waveform, select instrument 4 right here, just like this, or select out instrument 3 and the color changes out. So you can easily differentiate by seeing the color of the audio track by what audio you're working on. So that is how you can change the audio wave color inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.